Welcome back to the Viki tutorial video series. My name is Tom Albani with Biostat Global Consulting. In this video, we will download a folder holding tutorial datasets and a Viki control program and prepare to run Viki. This is a process you will repeat several times throughout this video series. Today's scenario is quite simple. The datasets and control program have been prepared for you, and very few edits are required for you to run Viki. When you analyze your own survey dataset, then you'll need to do some work to make the data compatible with Viki and to modify a control program template to go with your dataset. Later videos in this series will demonstrate how to do those steps. If you are not already a member of the Viki users group on the TechNet21 website, please take a moment to sign up now. You need to be a member there to access the files we are working with today. The Viki users group is also your one-stop shop for downloading Viki programs, tutorials, and documentation. All of these items can be found under the Files section of the group webpage. Our goals in this video are simple. First, we will download a zip file from the Viki users group website. Then we will unzip the contents and save them in a folder for Viki tutorial work. You will find the enclosed Viki control program and edit it to reflect the appropriate folder path on your computer. In the next video series, we will run Viki, and in the 2 videos after that, we will explore the Viki output. Okay, so let's log in to TechNet21 and navigate to the Viki users group if you're not there already. Click on Files in the left margin and then click on Viki Tutorial Datasets. Click the eyeball icon to download the District 20 RI Tutorial zip file. Identify or create a folder on your computer for Viki tutorial work. This can be anywhere on your PC. One possibility would be to create a folder named Viki Tutorials District 20-Tutorial 01. Now open the zip file using Windows or maybe a dedicated program that you have installed on your computer. Save the 2 folders from the zip file in your local Viki Tutorials folder. Feel free to explore the contents of these 2 folders. The folder named District 20 RI Data holds Viki datasets and 2 figures, as well as the do file that was used to make these figures. The contents of the datasets are described in the Viki User's Guide and the Viki Forms and Variable List, or FVL, document. The folder named District 20 RI Output holds a single Stata program. We call this a Viki control program. Open Stata and open this file in the do file editor. Each Viki control program is a Stata do file. Each has 7 sections, or blocks, labeled Block A, Block B, C, D, E, and F. If you scroll down through the program, you will see comment lines where each new block begins. Future videos in this series will describe the purpose and details of each block. If you want to read about them sooner, then navigate to the Files section of the Viki Users Group and look at some of the PowerPoint presentations named Viki Inputs from in-person training sessions. A Viki user only edits the contents of blocks B, D, and F. For this first tutorial, we will only edit 2 lines in block B, the line holding the path to the Viki data and the line holding the path to the Viki output. Those are lines 37 and 40 respectively. The contents of those lines currently reflect the paths on my computer, but you should change them to hold the paths to the two folders you just downloaded. Copy and paste the appropriate paths there, replacing the current text. And save the control program. Now the program is ready to run, and that brings us to the end of this video. Please watch the next video for instructions on running Viki and what to do if Viki encounters a runtime error. You may use the links below to post a comment or a question about this video, join the Viki users group at TechNet21, and see a complete list of Viki resources.